In this video we will show the effect of creeping light propagation, which is correlated to total internal reflection. The left picture shows a case of total internal reflection. It happens when a light beam hit an interface between two dielectric media from higher refractive index to the lower refractive index at an angle higher than Brewster angle. The right picture shows a case of evanescence wave. It can be done by adding the second medium with high refractive index. The gap between them must be small enough, comparable to the wavelength of the light beam. Some of the light beam will be able to penetrate the optical barrier at the interface and pass through the gap. The next case here has some similarities with evanescent wave, but also has some differences. They both involve a light beam at the interface between two dielectric media from high refractive index to the lower one, and back to the higher one. But this time the light wave propagates along the curved interface between the two different media. It then leaves the interface with slightly different angle, which makes it spread a little bit. Let's first see the original pattern of the laser beam when unobstructed by any object. Now the laser beam simply goes through a block of acrylic glass. On the wall, it looks spread a little bit due to imperfection in the acrylic glass. Now the laser beam is directed to the curved interface between the acrylic glass and the hollow part of the object, which is a variable area flowmeter. The laser beam is spread out on the wall. The left side of the pattern is produced by the creeping diffraction, where the laser beam can propagate to the area behind the hollow part of the object. The right side of the pattern is more of a product of reflection, which makes it look brighter. Let's repeat the experiment at slightly different position. This time we can see clearer interference pattern at the right side of the wall. Let's repeat the experiment at another slightly different position. This time we can see brighter area at the left side of the wall.